Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make lollipops without sugar. We'll explore the best sugar substitutes and essential tools for a successful batch. You'll learn about the precise temperatures needed and how to safely handle hot candy. This method allows you to enjoy sweet treats while avoiding traditional sugar. We'll cover everything from ingredients to the final cooling process, ensuring delicious results every time. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of a sugar substitute like isomalt or erythritol, along with 1/4 cup of distilled water. For flavor, add a few drops of your preferred extract, such as peppermint or cherry. A touch of food coloring can make your lollipops visually appealing. Ensure all your tools are ready before you start cooking. Now, let's cook. Combine your sugar substitute and water in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring gently until the sweetener fully dissolves. Once dissolved, stop stirring and let it boil. Watch your candy thermometer closely. The syrup needs to reach precisely 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Immediately remove it from the heat and carefully stir in your chosen flavorings and food coloring. With your flavored syrup ready, it's time to shape. Carefully pour the hot mixture into your silicone lollipop molds or onto parchment paper. Don't forget to insert a lollipop stick into the center of each one while the candy is still warm. Let them cool undisturbed for at least 30 minutes, or until they are completely firm. Once cooled, gently pop them out of the molds and enjoy your delicious, sugar-free lollipops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.